Hello, smart travelers. We are Monigotes on the go, and today we're bringing you the ultimate guide to a common challenge: packing light like an expert. If you want to avoid heavy luggage and extra fees, stick with us. Let's optimize your baggage. Tip 1. Make a list and be strict. The first secret is simple. Make a list and be brutally honest with yourself. Think about your travel days and activities. If you're not going to use something 2 or 3 times, you probably don't need it. Be realistic and eliminate the superfluous. Tip 2. Roll your clothes and use packing cubes. Yes, roll them tight. Or even better, invest in packing cubes. These little heroes not only save space, but they also keep everything organized. Say goodbye to suitcase chaos. Tip 3. Versatile clothing and layers. Versatile clothing is your best friend. Think about items you can easily mix and match. Neutral colors, basic clothing. And most importantly, dress in layers. This way you adapt to any climate without carrying extra clothes. Tip 4. Small and multi-purpose toiletries. Reduce liquids. Use reusable travel bottles and look for multi-purpose products like soaps that work for both body and hair. Leave the big bottles at home. Your space will thank you. Tip 5. Finally, wear your bulkiest items. Your biggest shoes, your thickest jacket, your hat. Wear whatever takes up the most space in your suitcase. This frees up valuable space and keeps you comfortable while traveling. With these 5 tricks, you'll be ready to travel light and worry-free like a true expert. Less weight, more comfort, and more space for souvenirs. Now we want to hear from you, traveler. What's your foolproof trick for packing light? Share it in the comments. If these tips were helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Monigotes on the go, and hit the notification bell. Follow us on our social media for more adventures. Until next time, travelers.